One Piece's Blackbeard is already a unique with 2 devil fruits under his belt, but the possibility of third would make him nearly unstoppable. One Piece is filled with dangerously powerful pirates who can use devil fruit powers to boost themselves to even greater heights. However, Blackbeard is one character who has claimed that power twice, and fans speculate that he could propel himself more with a third. This theory isn't entirely baseless either, with the symbolism of thirds being his character design. Even his Jolly Roger features the 3 skulls. Considering Blackbeard's prosperity of destruction, what devil fruit would be best suited for one of the most dangerous pirates in the series? Let's find out about it. First, let's take a look at Blackbeard's current powers. Blackbeard currently holding the power of Yami Yami no Mi or Dark Dark Fruit and Quake Quake Fruit. The Yami Yami no Mi is a Logia type devil fruit, meaning it allows the user to change the composition of their body to become a natural element. In this case, darkness, and control it. Along with his gravitational and nullifying first devil fruit, Blackbeard also took the Gura Gura no Mi from Whitebeard, a paramecia devil fruit which allows the user to cause earthquakes and shockwaves, granting Blackbeard additional superhuman abilities. It is safe to assume that since he has consumed one of each type, the third being a part of his motive, the next fruit would be a Zoan type devil fruit, which would allow him to transform into a different species at will. A Zoan fruit user has a base form, and a hybrid one, and finally a beast form. Chopper is an example of a Zoan user. Though he ate Hito Hito no Mi, which lets him speak and think like human, those who train hard enough can unlock other abilities too, like Chopper to use 7 different forms. But what devil fruit could be Blackbeard's next target? If Blackbeard targets a Zoan fruit next, which one would suit him his current skill set? An ancient Zoan fruit like Ryuryu no Mi is an option. Though they are considered rarer than the standard Zoan, the Ryuryu no Mi would allow him to transform into an extinct species like dinosaur depending on the fruit, and there are 9 confirmed variations. While dinosaurs are surely capable of destruction, Blackbeard could also hunt down a mythical Zoan fruit, which is even more unique. The mythical Zoan fruit grants their user the power to transform into mythical beast, like a phoenix or a dragon. A notable example that would suit Blackbeard's existing abilities could be Bato Bato no Mi or Bat Bat fruit, which would allow him to transform into a vampire. However, while the life draining powers would complement to Yami Yami no Mi's nullifying capabilities, the Bato Bato no Mi hasn't made a conical debut yet. A more outlandish option, but entirely possible, could be if Blackbeard attempted to steal the Yo-Yo no Mi from Kaido, a fellow emperor of the sea. Given the abilities to transform into a large blue dragon, a beast form massive size wouldn't be a problem in enclosed spaces since Blackbeard can already transform into darkness. If he could have physical contact with more than one opponent, he could negate multiple devil fruit powers at once. The prospect of Blackbeard adding the Yo-Yo no Mi to his arsenal is a genuinely frightening idea. From combining his shockwaves with the dragon form to utilizing lightning attacks with Gura Gura no Mi's earthquakes, this would be the most dangerous devil fruit Blackbeard could gain. If he can steal it from Kaido, there is no telling how much destruction and chaos he could truly cause. What are your thoughts about Blackbeard's next power, and what are your thoughts about what might be the next Blackbeard's devil fruit target be? What are your thoughts? Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.